Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to buy Dogecoin on the Binance exchange. For that, first we need to open the Binance exchange. Then you will see an interface like this. First of all, you need to click on the trade option here. Then you will come to a page like this. After that you need to click here again. Then you need to search for Doge here. So here I will charge Dogecoin. Then you can see that Doge/USDT has appeared here. Then you will come to a page like this. First of all, you have to click on limit here, select the market option for instant buy. Then you need to enter the amount you want to buy here. I am entering $100 here. Then you will have to click on buy again here. As soon as you click on buy Doge here, your Doge will be bought. That way you can buy Doge tokens on the Binance exchange. If you like our video, please like it. Subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this.